So the upcoming Honor Magic 8 series will have new devices in the lineup. For the fans, the brand will add huge size device as well as a compact one. Luckily, we already know their sizes and some of the other details. So let's break it down. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Honor is working on its Magic 8 series, which will be the early handsets to get a taste of the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. So as per the tipster, this time Honor will launch a large range of its flagship handsets depending on the screen sizes. So first there will be a mini model with a 6.3 inches screen size, which is almost a similar size to the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. For comparison, here you can see the size difference between 6.31 inches and a 6.78 inches smartphone. The next devices will be a 6.5 inches Honor Magic 8 and a 6.7 inches Honor Magic 8 Pro. While there will also be a huge 6.9 inches screen size device that could be named Honor Magic 8 Max or the Ultra. For comparison, it is the similar size as the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Alongside these devices, we may also see the Honor Magic 8 Lite and an RSR variant like the last year, though they are likely to launch separately. So whatever the screen size you prefer, Honor is gonna cover you. Besides, as per the leak, Honor is also working on a huge 6.96 inches screen size smartphone for the mid-range segment, which is quite a rare thing to see. Now, the tipster also spilled beans on some camera specs, and according to that, even the base model, the Honor Magic 8, will get a periscope sensor instead of the traditional telephoto we saw on most flagships. Now, periscope sensors are known to offer a higher optical zoom range, so probably the Honor Magic 8 is getting a better zoom range than the 3 times on its predecessor. As per the tipster, the mid-tier cameras like OmniVision OV64B and Sony IMX882 are being tested as the periscope cameras for the Honor Magic 8. However, for the Pro model, it is being tested with the top-tier camera, a 200 megapixel periscope with a large sensor size. Though a 200 megapixel resolution is not new to the brand, as they have already used a similar sensor on their Honor Magic 7 Pro. Unfortunately, core camera details are still missing, but of course I will keep you updated, especially on that bigger size device. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.